AI Vision, PTZs for professional multi-camera setups. All Atomos A-Eye models support industry-standard protocols like NDI-HX3, H.265, H.264, and MJPEG compression. They feature advanced auto-tracking capabilities enabling precise subject tracking for dynamic shoots. They also offer multiple output options including HDMI, 3G SDI, USB, and IP streaming via RTSP, RTMP, and ONVIF. Power over Ethernet, or PoE+, allows a single cable to handle power, video, and control, simplifying setup and reducing cable clutter. The A-Eye HD20X features a 1/2.8-inch CMOS sensor with over 2 million effective pixels and a 20x optical zoom. It captures video up to HD 2K at 60 frames per second, making it suitable for applications like education, houses of worship, and budget-conscious productions. Next, the A-Eye 4K 12X comes with a 1/2.5-inch UHD CMOS sensor, offering up to 8.5 million pixels and a 12x optical zoom. It supports resolutions up to UHD 4K at 60 frames per second. This model is versatile for creators, classrooms, and corporate presentations where high resolution and flexibility are key. The flagship A-Eye 4K 20X is built for larger venues and professional multi-camera productions. It uses a 1/1.8-inch UHD CMOS sensor and a 20x optical zoom, also supporting UHD 4K at 60 frames per second. The A-Eye controller is a dedicated remote control hub designed for advanced multi-camera operation. It enables preset switching and remote production control over IP, making it easy to manage multiple A-Eye cameras or integrate with third-party PTZ systems. Whether you're upgrading a single camera or building a full multi-camera environment, the A-Eye range and its controller provide reliable, high-quality performance with the flexibility to adapt to your production needs. To find the right A-Eye camera for your production, visit Videoguys.com.